the bed! Oh!
How you doing, mate?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh!
How you doing?
Oh! Didn't expect that to happen this morning.
I'm so sorry.
Oh! Oh!
Get my phone.
Oh, my fucking bike!
How about you? Oh, you alright?
Yeah.
Right there, mate.
I think so.
Yeah, should we ring an ambulance?
I don't know. My back's kind of hurting.
Yeah, let's ring an ambulance. Back's hurting, mate. Let's ring an
It's
ambulance.
alright, we're up a bit there.
Alright, best thing to do, mate, is to stay put in it if your back's hurting.
Yeah.
How about your arms?
Oh, I can feel them.
You'll be getting into a bit of shock as well, won't you?
Yeah. Oh, I did not expect my